Hi cuties, Bless here. Today we are going to draw Among Us in Spider-Man. So let's get started. First, draw a curve across here and down, and a curve right here. A slightly curved line but not so curved. And for the right side too, a curve and outwards line. For the head, I'm going to draw a big curve connecting to its eye, so I will remain one space for the eye. Now, I'm going to start for the eye here at this point. Okay, here I'm going to draw his back. Now, for the Spider-Man shirt, I'm thinking to draw like a square-shaped shirt. So we'll be going like this. Okay, for the right side too. And the little short pants here. Now I hope you are following with me. For the next step will be little harder, but it's okay, you can just go slowly. Here I'm going to draw a spider web in his body, so we'll be going like this. Slightly curved goes outwards from the eye here, connected to its body. And at the middle, I will remain some space for drawing the spider inside. Let's make the spider web more beautiful. Remember at the back here too. Just make it completed. Simple spider web here. I think it is simpler than the body, right? And then the spider will be going like this. And at bottom here, I will be drawing some spider web too. and overshare for the bread body with its leg. So the spider has 8 legs, and I will draw a little bit sharp at end. Be careful for the legs because it needs more detail to finish it. Okay, now we have finished Among Us in Spider-Man. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.